sex.
You like that?
This is my first time to see a human being make those kind of...
You haven't seen a human being make those noises before?
Like a sheep.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really, it's got a lot of...
Something like that, but prettier. And he lives in South. And these animals, they have a huge wing. As you can see, he's got like a 6-foot wingspan.
Wow.
Actually, he's getting into this. What is
American Robin. You hear that?
American Robin.
This is gonna be one of those things where I'm wrong, but I always thought a turkey just wanted to gobble, 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 gobble. But anyway, and before we go, I did want we have a special surprise guest. Who? Your first donkey.
Wow.
Good tie. Good gay tie. All right.
Fast enough, they can actually kill and eat a rattlesnake.
Oh, did you hear that? You do it just went. How did you make it do that noise again?
I don't know how to make him do it.
It just went.
By the way, put your hand out here.
I'm talking. Oh! Whoa, the old man goes. All right, it's getting too weird. Want to hear my Santa laugh?
I do.
Be president.
That was a strange noise.
What was that noise I just made?
Weird noise. Somewhere
I'm going to start doing that between every joke.
Yeah.
That's going to be my trademark from now on.
Somewhere inside you, an old door is closing.
right down.
I don't even know what that means. I did that. Yeah, I don't know why. That's the new thing. It's the new thing.
Well, you're going, ha, ha. I want you to be going like, hey, hey. And I want you to be going like, ooh, ooh. And I want you to be going like, shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. And I want you to be going like, yeah, I say bye. Ooh, ooh. Shimmer, 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 shimmer. A shimmer, 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 shimmer. Ah, shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. A shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Sheep, 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 yep, yep, sheep, yep, 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 yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. What you got there?
I forgot.
Oh, yeah. What the hell happened?
Well, I'm going to the country, got to get away. I'm going to the country, to get away. Ba 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 ba.
Shabba la sabaha shabba.
You know, they belong in the wild, or in this case, at our zoo as part of an education program.
Look at this thing.
You're observing an interesting thing. Cats associate and hunt by sight more than by hearing. Yeah.
I creeped out the animal. Did you see that?
Squeeze more profits! What the hell am I doing? You're like building a birdhouse over there. But I can do an ironic crow.
Let's hear it.
Forgot to.
Oh, honey. No.
The thing with the cord.
Way to communicate to them? Go like this. Tigers are the only cats in the world. They don't purr.
I'm trying to...
Here, bring it around here. I love to play on the ground.
was that? I don't know what I'm doing right now. People were laughing, so I kept doing it. I should have more props out here. Props are the key. I wish I wore glasses, because then I could do things like this. If I got a show for you. Yeah, let's get on with tonight's show. We got a good one.
Okay, see? You can't do it. You can't do it. Hey, Conan, be sexy. Be sexy, Conan. Be sexy. Show us sexy. Give us a sexy look. You're a bad boy, Conan. Give us a bad.
I'll get you real good in the bedroom. I'll really show you something.
No, be serious. Just be serious.
Talk dirty.
Yeah, I'm gonna put jelly on my chest.
What?
Be sporty. Be sporty. Be sporty. Athletic.
Sporty. Is that sporty? Is that a sport?
All right, now your model that you're with, act like you want her. Like, act like you really just want her. You want to have sex with her. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Bow tie.
Oh,
Put on my glasses, windshield wipers. Steam. Hair spins around.
Oh, my God.
So if you lose this job, you'll just be institutionalized.